Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my new video of this project, scanning electron microscope. Now you can see I'm pretty changed about 3 times of the structure. Okay, so this is a vacuum system. This meter shows the roughing vacuum, and this meter is a panning gauge. That shows the high vacuum. Now it's about 6 to the 10 to the minus 5th torr. And here is a roughing pump. It's a labeled mechanical pump. Okay, here is a here is a turbomolecular pump. Okay, now it's running. It's very quiet. So this is a panning gauge that can be used. So now here I don't want to touch it because there's some several kilovolts above the power supply. This power supply supplies the filament of this scanning electron microscope. Now it's running about 3 volts, about 2.6 amps. Okay, so here you can see the electron feeding through about the scanning electron microscope. This is a filament bias resistor. Okay, this is a negative high voltage feed in. So basically this is a grid, okay, or the win out cap. Okay, this is a column. This is the column of the electron gun. Now, and under it, this is the sample chamber. Okay, you can see a pretty tiny little spot on the phosphor disk. Okay, very little tiny disk. So here is a high voltage power supply. It gives us 2 outputs. One is a minus 20 kilovolts. The other one is minus 2 kilovolts. I'm going to use this as a focus voltage. This is a main emission voltage or the acceleration voltage, and up here is a meter that's showing us the emission current. Okay, now about 12 microamps. So turn down here, we are looking at the light spot. Okay, now we are turning down the high voltage, and you can see spot is disappeared. Okay, now we are increasing the voltage, and you can see spot is coming back. And if we increase it, now you can see it's much more brighter. Okay, so about 4 kilovolts is the limit on this system. Basically, it's basically depends on this garbage. So when I turn up the high voltage, this one got a chance to discharge from something, and it's reset itself. So I'm going to change it in the future sometimes. So this is the video. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. Bye.